Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
If I did, I don't remember it. I watched too many videos.
Gotta find the clip. I have to turn right here. So you've made it impossible, not me. Alright, I'm not moving. You can move forward or backward, but I can't get through. I'll even go straight through, but I can't get through here. Are you drunk or are you dumb? Move the other way. I'll just go straight. I'll go straight. Go. What are you doing? Move. I'm going that way. So move. Well, it was on because I was going that way, but you're dumb, so I'm going straight. You guys are good. You guys are good. Thank you guys. You're actually all right. I like you guys. I'm sorry about them. I don't know what she's doing. Okay, well, go through that way and you can go around. Move, you dum-dum. Well, please don't make me insult you by being dumb. Please move for this person. They're being patient. You can do whatever you want now because I'm gone. I love you. Goodbye.
I am so proud of myself.
In 2 miles, use the right lane to take exit 21AB for Florida's Turnpike South.
What are you doing?
Tomorrow, but yeah, that's
I know. Cows have wings. Doesn't surprise me.
Yeah, I try to reason. Please, but
Continue on Davie Road for half a...
What are you doing?
we're bad. We're the.
Stop. Thank you. Whoa! Bro, Bro, ran the f***ing red light.
No, you don't. No, you don't. Oh my God.
You f***ing hoe.
Oh my goodness.
Fucking.
Compliments to the chef, I'm cooking. Seasoned with a little bit of luck. 2020 came out in the field before lunch. I took my shop into a house I've been catching in real life. Show you what it takes, but you won't know what it feels like. To hold this kind of weight and still walk with your head high. My noose was getting looser every
What a f***ing jackass. Jesus fucking Christ.
Damn, someone's in the brush.
Oh, shit.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
No, my window.
Oh my God, Frankie, wait.
Hey.
No, keep going, bro.
Are you guys alright?
They're fine.
I'm
Frankie,
so
no.
stupid.
Frankie, go.
Come on.
against rapid inflation and protect your retirement wealth from the bank. Take control of your financial safety today. Call 800-900-8000 to get your free gold investment kit from Advantage Gold. Call 800-900-8000.
What's that all about?
You know? I'm not gonna let somebody punch me or slap me. Like, if this is real, wow, we got a problem. Now, what does Goldman say?
Just a switch and some games. She thought I was wasting my savings, and that if I had extra, she could use it better. I don't know why, but I told her that I won the money, and now she won. I don't know why, but I told her that I won the money, and now she won. It's his responsibility, and I should give a tithe and offering to the church. I go to church, but I don't think I believe anymore. While I told her no, and she said I had to move out then. So I did. I went to a hotel. My bank put me in contact with a real estate agent, and I'm buying an apartment. Just one room. House.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.